Go ahead.
So I think you're kind of angling towards something that's very interesting, and it's kind of the scary side of all of this. Because you have to think about, who do you trust? And security is all about trust. And who are you giving access to? Do you really know what that person is going to do with it? So, when you talk about enterprise IT systems, you think in terms of trust but verify. It's like, okay, I'm going to give you a login, I'm going to let you do some stuff, but I'm always going to double check it. I'm going to make sure that you are who you say you are. I'm going to make sure that what you have access to and the things that you're doing are the things that you're supposed to be doing. And when you're talking about that local IT guy, the likelihood that he or she understands that fully is unfortunately pretty low. And you need systems that are simple, that are automated, that are going to put these capabilities in place for you and make it possible for you to do the day-to-day jobs that you're responsible for, and have the confidence that all of the other people are doing their jobs the way they should, and they can't do jobs that they shouldn't be doing, and that they can't get at the things that they shouldn't be seeing.